So, I've recently been watching Jujutsu Kaisen. It's a really good show, but so far my favorite character is definitely Gojo. My favorite version of Gojo is him with his blindfold on, and I wanted to cosplay that version. It's kind of hard to find a see-through blindfold, so I just decided to make one. Let's get started. To start with the blindfold, I have this mesh here. Now, it's a foam, like, mesh, and it's, made for, like, kitchens, like, drawers, and that kind of thing. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cut a big strip of it. There. So now we have a big strip bandana. Alright, now, in the center of the blindfold, I am going to cut out a triangle shape. It'll be for the nose. Like that. Alright, so I've been tweaking around with this, and the end shape is like this. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be gluing up the ends, kind of like this. I'm going to be folding it like that, just so it'll go over my ears nicely, and, yeah. Careful when gluing mesh, because it's, a lot easier to burn yourself. One side. Yeah, so both ends have been glued up. But anyways, that is going to conclude today's video. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. I also have a buy me a coffee if you want to support me that way. If you want to watch another anime-themed video, please check out my Chainsaw Man video. It should be up on screen right now. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.